Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I thank the honourable member for the question. Mr. Speaker, sir, since my visit to China in 2024, the Ministry has been in close consultation with the People's Republic of China through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs on a bilateral agenda discussing the shaping of Fiji's TVET programs. On scholarship for students who wish to further their education through high-quality vocational training at the Tianjin Luban workshop, as it will foster people-to-people culture exchange. Teacher upskilling training at Luban workshop, bringing advanced teaching models and high-quality equipment for our vocational curriculum. And this can all be cultivated through the Ministry of Education digitalization platform. And training through the village TVET model of craftsman skills and provide entrepreneurship skills tailored into the village enterprise context. The discussion on strengthening the TVET sector in its initial stage to be further explored and exchange for cooperation that will deliver tangible results, targeting skills and capability improvement for students, teachers, and villagers in rural and maritime areas. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Fiji's embassy in the PRC is actively working with the relevant authorities to identify other vocational models from the Luban workshop, the Chinese Initiative for International Vocational Training. And the Ministry of Education is taking a targeted and holistic approach with the Chinese government in developing and improving basic technical and vocational skills of students and teachers. The Ministry of Education is confident through its partnership that we will be able to identify the most relevant TVET model in China that would have the largest impact on our local context. We have been working collaboratively with the Chinese embassy in Fiji through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs to shape proposals in alignment to the needs of the Ministry of Education. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.